Hi, I'm Jeremy, and welcome to another episode of Practical IT. In this episode, we're going to take a look at a utility called bzip2. This is available on Linux, Mac OS, Windows Subsystem for Linux, and other Unix-type environments. Let's take a look. Okay, we'll start out on the Linux side. And what we're going to do is we're going to compress the etc directory, which is at /etc, and we're going to create a bzipped copy of the contents of etc in our home folder. So let's first list out the files and contents of the etc folder. We do ls/etc. You can see that there are a good number of files and folders in that directory. To create this, we need to use sudo to run this as administrator or root privileges. So we're going to just say sudo tar cjvf, give the file name etc.tar.bz2 and the path to the folder we want to use, in this case /etc/ and hit enter. It'll prompt for our password. And just like that, we're done. Now if we do ls-l, we can see that we've got etc.tar.bz2 and the size. Alright, jump to the Mac side and make another attempt here. For this example, we've navigated to my Documents folder and a folder called Webinar Reference. We list out the files. We have 2 PDF files in this folder. We are going to make bzipped versions of these at the same time. So for this example, we'd say bzip2 space. We can just start typing 7 and hit tab to get the name of the first one, and CA and tab to get the name of the second one. The result of this is that it's going to create files with a .pdf, .bz. And this will take just a moment. And if we do ls, they're actually the name .pdf.bz2. Alright, for our final example, we're going to go over to the Windows Subsystem for Linux side of things. And we are in my home folder and the pictures directory, and we'll list out the files. The file that we're going to manipulate is the livecaster error PNG file. So we are going to say bzip2-c livecaster error.png, and we're going to redirect that into livecaster error.png.bz2. And if we do ls-l for the long listing, we have both the original and the .bz2 version. So I'm going to move the original to a different name. So move mv livecaster error.png, and we're going to make the PNG lowercase. And this is one little difference that you're going to find between an actual Ubuntu install and Windows Subsystem for Linux. On an actual Ubuntu install on Mac OS in the command line and other Unix type systems, you're going to find that they are case sensitive. So in this case, if you were using a true Unix type system, livecaster underscore error dot capital PNG and livecaster underscore error dot lowercase PNG would not be the same file. In this case, it's telling us that they are. So we're going to change our command, and we're going to change this to lc underscore error dot PNG. And it took that just fine. Now to decompress our bzip2 file, you can use bzip2-d for decompress and specify the name of the file, or you can say bunzip2 and the name of the file, and it will work the same way. So now we can see that we've got the lcerror.png and the livecaster underscore error.png, which are the exact same file. The one difference you might notice is the original file that we renamed has the original date stamp of May 7th, 2017. The file that we decompressed has today's date, July 1, and it doesn't list a day, so it's got the time, 13:06, so that would be 2018. That brings us to the end of another episode of Practical IT, our short form videos. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, click subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications of future videos, and feel free to leave comments below and tell your friends. Thank you all again for watching. Have a great day.